Imagine someone giving a large donation to a school, or a person giving a huge amount of money to help a hospital, or a supporter giving a big gift to help people in need. When someone does this in a very generous way, English has a word for it. That word is munificent. Munificent means extremely generous, especially when someone gives large gifts, money, or support to help others. The pronunciation is munificent, munificent. Grammatically, munificent is an adjective. We usually use this word to describe large donations, generous gifts, or powerful acts of giving, especially in formal writing, news, speeches, and literature. For example, the university received a munificent donation from a former student. Now it's your turn. Write your own sentences using munificent in the comments. Thanks.